Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer. Let's take a quick look at this Fill-Rite AC Power Fuel Transfer Pump. Now this is an electric fuel transfer pump that's designed for your stationary above ground tanks where you have access to standard 115 volt AC power. And this is powered by a durable AC motor with built-in thermal protection. So even if it starts to overheat, it's going to automatically protect itself. Now this pump is really designed for someone who, again, has that stationary above ground fuel tank and you're looking for a dependable electric solution for everyday fueling. So this is going to be great for homeowners, farmers, contractors, or small operations where you need to fuel equipment or vehicles quickly and easily using standard 115 volt power. If portability is not a concern, and durability, speed, and long-term reliability are, this pump is going to check all of those boxes. Now this is built tough. It's constructed of a cast iron body, so this is going to hold up really well in those harsh environments. This does use a reliable rotary vane pump technology, which is known for consistent performance and long service life. And this is going to mount to a standard 2-inch tank bung, and the electrical junction box is going to be able to rotate 180 degrees, making installation more flexible for you. And so it's all going to depend on how your power source is positioned. Now in terms of performance, this is going to deliver fuel at a rate of 15 gallons per minute. So that's a pretty good spot for small to mid-sized fuel tanks, roughly in the 15 to 60 gallon range. And this is meant for intermittent use with a duty cycle of 30 minutes on and 30 minutes off. And this operates at a maximum pressure of 16 psi. So this comes with several components here right out of the box. You are going to get, let me go back to my wide view here real quick. You are going to get this 12-foot long, 3/4 of an inch hose. And the hose includes a static ground wire, giving you that additional safety. And this also includes this cast aluminum manual nozzle, so that's included. And that's a nice inclusion actually that comes with this. Some of the pumps do not include that. And then it does come with this boot, so you can store the pump handle on. And then you're going to get this telescoping steel suction pipe that's going to adjust from 20 to 34.5 inches. And then the pump itself has a built-in mesh strainer to filter out those larger debris before it reaches your pump. Now, one thing to note is while the suction pipe is included, you may still need to source or customize your own suction piping depending on your specific tank setup. Also, because this runs on 115 volt AC power, the electrical connection should be installed by a licensed electrician. As for fuel compatibility, this would be pretty versatile, if I can get that out. This is going to work with gasoline, diesel, kerosene, mineral spirits, ethanol blends up to E15, and biodiesel blends up to B20. Physically, the pump is compact. Looking at some measurements here, the overall length roughly from end to end, about 13 inches long. The width here, about 10 inches wide. And then the height, right at about 10.5 inches tall. Actually, going back to that width, I was wrong. It's closer to 11 inches wide. So it's technically about 10 7/8 inches wide. So I did want to make a correction on that width. This does have a 1-inch inlet and a 3/4 of an inch outlet with female connections. And those are pretty common sizes, and they're pretty easy to work with. So again, includes everything that you see here. You're going to get some thread tape as well. We do have meters available from Fill-Rite as well here at eTrailer. So if you're looking for a meter to add to this setup, you can take a look at those options here as well. But if you happen to have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you need. Well, again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.